Alright, so you want to know what that socket does on your military truck? Huh? Now yours might be in a different spot, but anyway, let me show you. It's for this. See this guy? Wooden handle, little slots, a little hanger. This guy opens up. There's a bulb in there, little hanger, and here's your plug. Let's see if it works. I've actually never tried mine, and because I didn't feel like digging out the right bulb, I put a 12 volt in there, so it's probably going to burn out. To be honest with you, I don't know how you get it to come on. But anyway, as you can see, it just fits in there. And this one might not be hooked up. I don't know. I just bought this truck recently. Got no idea if that works or even how to turn it on. Ironically, if you want to see something cool, a regular light bulb, if I remember correctly, yep, will fit in that socket. So, also, this truck was recently painted. It may not be working because it looks like there's a shitload of paint in that socket. I'll eventually clean it up. But, alright, there you go. Okay, all you guys wondering what the mystery socket goes to.